Hello, welcome back to another video with your girl Q. How are my cutie Qs doing today? I miss you so much. If this is your first time visiting the channel, hello, my name is Q. I would love to have you as one of my cutie Qs. If you can hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notifications on so that you are reminded every time I post a brand new video. Today we have Chick-fil-A. Now this was a requested video, you guys. I wasn't going to do Chick-fil-A, but it was requested. This is a spicy chicken sandwich. I decided to get extra pickles on it. This is the chicken tenders here. I have some French fries, Polynesian sauce, and Chick-fil-A sauce, and also 2 cookies. I also have a drink here. The guy didn't give me a straw, so I had to use a straw that I had, which is a little too short, so don't mind that. But I'm so excited. I'm ready to dig in. So you guys already know, if you don't like burping, smacking, or moaning. You guys, I'm so hungry. So how are you guys? I miss you guys so much. I should have got a large fry. Their fries are good. I like to eat, whenever I have fries, I like to eat all my fries first. Cause cold fries, Happy. Today is New Year's Eve, you guys. Are you guys ready for 2019? I know I am. I am so ready, you guys. Chick-fil-A is so good. In my Wendy's mukbang, I said Wendy's was my favorite. Chick-fil-A has the best service. And Chick-fil-A definitely is the best. But Wendy's is bomb. So good. So, what are you guys doing tonight? Are you guys going out? You're staying in? Yummy. It's raining. It's been raining a lot. You guys want a bite? You know, it's really been raining here. I think I'm staying in. I don't feel like going out. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. Yes, I'm still mad at you. I'm still mad at you, Orion. So my cat, you guys, that's my cat that I'm talking to, you guys. So He wants me to forgive him for what he did. And I will forgive him eventually. But I'm upset with him right now. So you can taste the spice in that. Oh, excuse me. So, my cat is on punishment right now because he jumped in the cabinet and I thought he was stuck in the wall of the bathroom. So what y'all like to get from Chick-Fil-A? If you don't have a Chick-fil-A in your area, man, I hope you guys are bringing the new year right. Please be safe. If you're going out to the club tonight, you're going out drinking, whatever, please be safe. I will be safe because I will be in the house. I will be in the house. I went out last year. You guys want that bite? Mm. Yeah, I went out last year. I had a really good time. But this year, I want to do something different. Maybe make some cookies. I don't know. Going out gets old sometimes for me. It is gonna be 2019. Oh my God. 2019. I hope you guys are leaving behind stress, drama, hate, jealousy, envy. I hope you guys are leaving that into 2018. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I hope you guys are leaving that all behind. Do not bring that into your new year. Let bygones be bygones. Let it go. Let it go. Somebody did you wrong. Somebody did something to make you mad. I promise you, you don't need to get them back. They're gonna receive their karma. So let it go. Let it go and let God. Oh my gosh. So good. So I'm gonna eat some cookies. Just a little bit of the cookies. I know I'm not gonna eat all of it, but I do want to eat some on camera for y'all. Who likes cookies? Look at that. You guys, I'm loving my new camera. Oh my gosh, I'm really loving it. You can see everything so clearly. I hope you guys are loving the camera. I got my nails done. I hope you guys like them. If you don't like them, that's fine too. I love my nails. I saw this girl on Instagram with her nails like this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want my nails like that. But I normally wouldn't think to get white nail polish in the wintertime. I don't know why. Like I just think white nail polish summertime. But it looks really pretty. It looks very classic and chic. I think I'm gonna keep my nails short like this all the time too. I like long nails. I love long nails actually. Don't get me wrong, I love long nails. But the long nails be getting in the way of what I gotta do. Well, I'm telling you. If you like chocolate chip cookies, You would love these. It's so soft. So yeah, happy New Year to you guys. I hope your vision boards are made. If not made, I hope you're making them tonight. I'm finishing mine up tonight. But I'm really excited about 2019. Our lives are going to be transformed, you guys. Those who believe it, you're going to be transformed. Be thankful. Be thankful that God brought you through 2018 safely. You're alive. Some people didn't make it. And some people won't make it to 2019. Today. Somebody's going to die today. Be thankful that you have breath in your body. Be thankful for everything you have. Family, friends. And try to be a better person. And be a better person this year. I challenge you in 2019 to be a better person than you ever thought you could even be. You can change yourself. It starts with you deciding that you want a better life. Deciding that you want more out of life. Deciding that you're not going to tolerate disrespect from anybody. Deciding that you're going to live your best life for real. You're going to make the best decisions, the best choices. And that cookie good. You have the power. You have the power. You can do it. Nobody said it was going to be easy. But you made it. Now live your dreams. Shoot for the stars. Be great. I challenge you in 2019 to be great. I challenge you to talk about it and be about it. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Be assertive. Be brave. Be bold. Live your best life. You only get one. You only get one. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video.